Hi, my name is Hadley. Today, you're watching my YouTube channel, and we're at the car wash I'm waiting to see where we go. So, now it's raining. Yay! Okay, that was just weird. Okay. You're really like, guys. I'll tell you that. That's what's happening.
Oh, look at that.
The lights are really cool, actually. That's really cool lights. So I'm just here with my mom waiting until the car wash is done. That was really funny. That's louder than I thought it can be. So, follow me on my Musical.ly account if you want to see me more. I don't know how to go live. Yeah. So, by 2 years of this YouTube channel, you can see me on Instagram. Yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, we're still waiting in the car wash. Still waiting. That's loud. Oh my gosh. So Mom, where we're going after this?
We're gonna go to Big Lots.
What's that?
It's a store lover.
Okay.
Thank you. Exit closed.
Exit very slowly. That's what this man just said. This random man. So now we're exiting through the dryers. That's why there was this very loud noise. This is loud. Mom just freaked me out. Okay, let me exit now. That was so scary, guys. Comment if you got scared, but because I got scared. So now we're going to, I forgot the name.
Big Lots, but we're gonna go.
We're going to Big Lots now. I mean Big Lots.
Vacuum out, anything.
Mom, be careful.
Vacuums and stuff.
The car is literally clean.
No, I kind of vacuumed it last night, so I'm just gonna throw some stuff in there probably.
Yeah. So. If you one day want to see Mama's face, you have to like this video and subscribe. Okay? I'm not commanding you. You can do whatever you want, okay? But I would like you to. Then we hear that screaming puppy noise that's hurting my head.